Hello everyone, this week and today I'm going to show something different and I'm going to show you one plugin I used to do my stuff all the time, Ray Giant. Okay, how you saying it? So I'm going to show you how to use Magic Bullet looks, and it is very dope and it guides me a lot. It puts me to just do something so fast. So this is the interface and it looks so amazing. So guys, subscribe to my page and I'm going to show you every process and how the tips and tricks just work in this plugin. Okay, so first, only thing we're gonna do is that let me just stretch it to like this and for you all to just see how it is. So this is the interface, okay, and I'm gonna show you how to do things about this. You can get to this side and zoom it, or you can just make it into the middle and scroll it like this, okay, or you can just find the looks and search for one just suit you for you to just use for your footage, and it's very dope. So I'm going to show you the tools here, okay. It have a lot of things for you to just use, and it's very dope. I love DaVinci Resolve, and I love DSR and a lot of things, but I prefer to choose this and work on my footage so fast. So let's say first you need to get to the curve plugin, okay. So let me just mute it, okay. This here is going to mute and see how to see the bypass and feel how it works. So you can just make it look more at cinematic, and it's very cool, not much rush. So let's say this one, it can make it so cool like this. But let me show you the how to use all the stuffs. So or you can get to this one, okay. So for wave color, you can just get into this, okay, to change to make your footage look so much nice. So you can just control the global and the shadow, okay, shadow and the midtones, okay, to get what you just need, and the highlights, okay. And see, oh, you can get to a lot of things inside this plugin. So let me just get to the loots, and there's one loot I really love to choose all the time, so this one, okay. Then you just reduce it. It's very cool, and let's see the before and after, okay. So you can just use for your music video, from a lot of things, commercial videos and stuff. So this how it's look. You can choose the one you just prefer to just use on this loot, okay. So let's get to this one, okay. You can just shift the temperature, or you can use this one, the tint, and just feel how it's gonna look more. So right now I will just make something cool, like transformer color grade, and you can just control this one too, okay, to see where I mean this one is yellow, so I'm going to search. It's going to get me the where the yellow is just perform, and let's see how it works, okay. And the red too, okay, check here, okay, around here the side. You can see it's just moving around there, that side. Or you can come down here to just control this, and it's very cool and so simple for you to use, okay. No stressful, but you can just use something to just work on it, or you can just take here to blend the side and the side, the down at the top, and just reduce the blur, or you can add more, okay. It's so cool, okay, it's so cool. So let me just get to this one, bypass, and you can use the lens, this one, to just dark the side and side, okay. This plugin is very dope, it's very cool, and you can take it amount so much like this, okay, or you can just control everything. So I really love it a lot, okay. It have a lot of things, and you can get to the hallucination, so simple, okay. It can get you more, and it can get you the glow too. Okay, the glow is this one. Okay, so let me check the bypass. Okay, so they are going to give you more presets, the one you want to choose to use. Okay, very dope. Or you can just control this one. Okay, it's gonna control all those stuffs here, all the size and everything. So I really love it a lot. It just guides me to just do my things so fast, so I don't waste time on things to just go for a lot of plugins and stuff. This one I have everything and anything, so you can just get one, get to their sites and just get one. It's very cool, and the price so affordable, so get one. So I'm awake, subscribe to my page, and I'm going to drop more videos, and I'm going to get you more things to understand. And see you for the next video. Bye.